If you've been following this series, we've built almost everything a business needs to generate customers online. We've created a sales funnel, we've built a landing page, we've set up email marketing, we've automated our marketing, we've organized everything inside a CRM. We've created an appointment booking system, we've automated our follow-up process, and we've even built a system to collect Google reviews. But there's still one important question. Why would anyone actually give you their email address in the first place? That's exactly what we're going to answer today, because the truth is, people don't wake up in the morning hoping to join another email list. They don't think, I really hope another business starts sending me emails. They want help. They want answers. They want solutions. That's where a lead magnet comes in. A lead magnet is simply something valuable that you give away for free in exchange for someone's contact details. Instead of asking someone to subscribe, you're offering them something that solves a real problem. It could be a checklist, a guide, a template, a cheat sheet, a calculator, a resource, or even a short video training. The format doesn't matter nearly as much as the value it provides. Think about it like this. Imagine you're trying to lose weight. Would you rather join somebody's email list or download a free 7-day meal plan that helps you start today? Or imagine you're starting a business. Would you rather receive random marketing emails or download a complete marketing blueprint that shows you exactly what to build? The answer is obvious. People don't want more emails, they want progress. And that's exactly why lead magnets work so well. They remove the risk. Instead of asking someone to buy immediately, you're allowing them to experience your knowledge first. You're building trust before asking for anything in return. That's why businesses across almost every industry use lead magnets. Accountants offer tax checklists, estate agents offer home buying guides, fitness coaches offer workout plans, lawyers offer legal templates, marketing agencies offer strategy guides. Every one of them is solving an immediate problem. So how do you create a lead magnet that people actually want? The first step is identifying one specific problem. Don't try to solve everything. The more focused your lead magnet is, the more valuable it feels. For example, instead of creating a guide called Everything About Marketing, create something called 10 Steps to Build Your First Sales Funnel. Instead of Learn Fitness, create 7 home workouts you can do in 20 minutes. People are much more likely to download something that promises one clear outcome. The second step is making it quick to consume. One mistake beginners make is trying to write a 200-page ebook. That usually means they never finish it. And even if they do, most people won't read it. Instead, create something somebody can use immediately. A checklist, a worksheet, a template, a short guide, something that delivers a quick win. Remember, the goal isn't to teach everything. It's to solve one problem really well. The third step is connecting your lead magnet to the next stage of your customer journey. Your lead magnet shouldn't be the end. It should naturally lead people towards your product or service. For example, throughout this series, we've been building a complete marketing system. So instead of creating a random PDF, our lead magnet could be called the Complete Marketing System Blueprint. Inside it, we'd include a sales funnel checklist, a landing page framework, an email sequence template, a CRM setup guide, an automation checklist, a follow-up workflow, a review request template, everything we've built throughout this series. Now that has genuine value. And naturally, people who download it are interested in learning more about building their business. Now let's build one. Inside GoHighLevel, we'll create a new funnel and add a simple opt-in page. We'll add a headline explaining exactly what people will receive, a short description explaining the benefit, a form asking for their first name and email address, and a call to action button inviting them to download the guide. Once they submit the form, GoHighLevel stores their details inside the CRM. They're automatically added to our email list, a tag is applied, our welcome email is triggered, and the lead magnet is delivered automatically. No manual work required. This is where everything we've built throughout this series starts working together. Someone watches one of your YouTube videos, they click the link in the description, They arrive on your landing page, they download your lead magnet, their details are stored inside your CRM. Your email sequence begins. If they book an appointment, your follow-up automation starts. Once you've helped them, your review system asks for a Google review. Every lesson we've covered connects together into one complete marketing system. And that's why lead magnets are so powerful. They're often the very first step in building trust with a future customer. Let's quickly recap. A lead magnet is something valuable you give away in exchange for someone's contact details. It should solve one specific problem. It should be quick to consume. It should deliver an immediate win. And it should naturally lead people into the next stage of your marketing system. In the next and final video of this series, we're going to zoom out and connect everything together. I'll show you how every piece we've built works as one complete marketing machine that can generate leads, nurture prospects, automate follow-up, collect reviews, and help your business run far more efficiently. I'll see you in the next one.